Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Chrome DevTools to edit JavaScript quickly. Press F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows to open the tools. Mac users press CMD+Option+I to open DevTools and focus the interface. Once open, click the Sources panel to list loaded scripts and resources. The panel shows File tabs, a file navigator, and an editor area. This view lets you inspect, search, and make temporary edits to JavaScript without changing the server files. In the Sources panel, find the JavaScript file in the File Navigator and click it to open. Click into the editor and make your changes directly. The editor supports typing and basic formatting. Press Ctrl+S to save your edits inside DevTools for the current session and to trigger page updates. To persist edits, set up workspaces and map a local folder to the origin so changes write to disk. Workspaces require you to grant folder access and to confirm mapping rules. After editing, test behavior using breakpoints and the debugger to step through code execution. Right-click a line number to add a breakpoint and reload the page to hit it. If changes reset on reload, enable overrides or use workspaces to persist edits across refreshes and network responses. When edits work, copy changes into your local project files and commit them to source control for permanent integration. Finally, reload the page to confirm stable behavior and to validate that saved files match the tested edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.